adjustments. I think during this pandemic, talagang na-exercise yung pagiging adaptable namin.
I think the change in myself was being more mindful of the boundaries that I have. I do acknowledge I am still a mother. I am provider. I am breadwinner. There's so many roles that I play.
I think that is one of the common challenge that we have as stay-at-home moms, as working moms, is really to set that boundary, to set that me time, to set a structure. Honestly, lately, I felt quite guilty for wanting time for myself.
If you're feeling guilty, like Mommy kanina felt guilty about having me time, acknowledge it. It's okay, right? First and foremost, talaga na you should forgive yourself for feeling this way. It's only natural and you're allowed to feel that way because you are human. So I want you to specifically keep an eye out for when you're starting to feel pressured about spending time with your family. When that wave of uneasiness hits you, then you know you've had enough. Then maybe you can start to be more open. Be sure to talk about how you can all help each other to have time for yourselves individually, as well with each other and all together as a family.
Don't feel guilty focusing on yourself, because at the end of the day, when you're happy, when you're well, then you can be the best person you can be for others.
You kind of have to take time to really acknowledge and see what's going on with you so that you can also be the best mom to your kids.
Siguro to end that note, I want to give credit to all the moms. If you are a mom for a year, 2 years, or 15 years, we are all doing great, and let's just keep it up.